Hi there, and welcome back to Twinkl's How to Draw series. Today, we'll be learning how to draw the Eiffel Tower, the iconic monument which you can find in Paris, France. We'll be starting off by using a pencil to draw some basic shapes before using a pen to create the final lines. So make sure you have everything you need and let's go! First of all, draw a long, slightly curved line going upwards. Then, from the top of that line, draw another line going downwards that mirrors the first. You should end up with a big capital A shape. Next, draw a line towards the bottom of the shape, joining the two original lines. Then, draw the same line slightly higher up and another at the top. And from there, continue to turn the two lines into a long rectangle. And the one at the top, a square. These will be the steel beams that hold the Eiffel Tower together. Next, draw a semicircle at the bottom of the shape, which will be the archway at the bottom of the tower. Then, from each end of the semicircle, draw a line going diagonally up, past the first rectangle and stopping at the second. Lastly, inside the top of the shape, draw an X and repeat this pattern all the way down to the first rectangle. Then, draw this pattern within the two blank spaces between the two rectangles and then continue the pattern down the two legs of the Eiffel Tower. Now we've completed the first part of our drawing, did you know that almost 80% of our viewers aren't subscribed to our channel? Why don't you hit the subscribe button and don't forget to press the bell button so you're the first to know when we next upload. Right, it's time to pick up your pen and add some details. So firstly, start by drawing the outlines of the rectangles and the square. Then, connect the two rectangles using the sketch lines we marked out earlier. Next, draw over the two legs of the bottom of the tower, followed by the top lines that connect the top of the tower. Lastly, draw in the archway. Now you should have a nice outline of your tower. Now that we've got that sorted, continue to go over the cross details from earlier, followed by some extra details on the rectangles. Then, complete the Eiffel Tower with a sparkling spire at the top overlooking Paris. And there you have it, your finished Eiffel Tower. We hope you enjoyed your time here at Twinkl Kids TV today, and again, don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell button, and we'll see you next time.